Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen day chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now last week the Aussie Yen came up and failed at 90.18, possibly creating a double top here. So we're going to see a longer term decline. So this week, can this downtrend continue and start to move below the 87.01 monthly support level? Do we come down to this area of support, weekly support, day support, monthly support? Can we retest 87.01 and move below next week? We are heading towards a strong level of support. This level of support could hold for a reversal back up. So whilst we've got a downtrend forming quite clearly there with a double top, support needs to be navigated. Can that area break, or will it hold for a move back up? Alright traders, onto the Aussie dollar. Looks very similar to the Aussie yen. We failed at resistance here, possibly forming a double top at 67.83 last week. Can we continue down this week to move below, test and move below 66.29 weekly support, to move down to the next level of weekly support at 65.64. Can that downtrend now continue? Of course, we're trading into support here, so we could see a test of the support and then a move back up. So Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, very similar, trading down towards support. Can these levels of support now break for a continued downtrend? Don't forget the high time frame weekly trend is clearly down. So have we topped out up here for a weekly lower top for a continued move below 66.29 weekly support next week? Alright, onto the Euro Yen. Now we fell pretty much at 145.56 last week, a fraction short on a retest, and closed below 144.26 monthly resistance from over here. So we may at the start of the week come up just to retest 144.26. Do we form a lower top there? Retest, hold for a move back down the range. Moving down towards 139.54 for a further retest over the course of time. So will we fail at 144.26 on a retest at the start of the week for a continued move down the range? Okay, onto the euro dollar. Now, last week we tried to move above 109.27, this resistance area over here to the left that was, which price is now being forming resistance at. False broke above and closed below. So have we failed at 109.27? So we may well retest that level once more through the week. Watch for a retest, but does that now hold for a move back down to retest now 108.02 day support? Are we failing up there at 109.27? Alright, onto the pound yen now. Very similar to the Aussie yen. Are we forming a double top for a move back down? Came up last week to test weekly resistance at 166.00. Clearly rejected. We are just stuck between support and resistance here on the day chart. But are we going to see 164.03 day resistance hold now for a move back down the range? And over time, are we actually moving all the way back down to challenge 158.21 monthly support? So clear rejection at weekly resistance is at a double top for now a continued decline back down the range. Alright traders, last page review for the weekend, pound dollar. Now we moved above 124.48 monthly weekly resistance, this double top area, but couldn't hold. And the 3-day reversal, we did trade at that level yesterday but held. So are we failing there? False breaking for a move back down the range. So at the start of the week, watch for a retest of 124.48. Can we move above to continue the uptrend, or do we hold and fail for a move back below 124.00, targeting move down next week towards the 122.93 weekly support level? So are we false breaking monthly, weekly resistance for a move back down to weekly support? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.